Hi guys, it's Pam from Cranberry Cottage. A couple of weeks ago, I posted some pictures of a vanity that I was working on that was kind of an industrial type of piece that meets kind of a gothic vibe. We finally got that finished other than oiling the insides of the drawers to make them look like new again. And I'll do that in the evening on one of these nights. But I wanted to show you how beautiful this turned out. It's really hard to photograph, but it seems to video okay. We use several different techniques. I also use several different product lines on this piece. When I'm painting my furniture, I don't necessarily stick with one product line. I use Dixie Belle on this, I use Deb's DIY on this, I use metallic waxes on this. So I just use whatever works for me. And so I'm always mixing and matching different product lines, and it seems to work out fine for me. We've also used metallic waxes, silver leafing, but check out how beautiful this is. I did a faux steel type of top, a brushed steel. It looks like a big old sheet of 1-inch thick steel. It's been sitting out for a little while. This piece had a lot of black and grays on it, and it needed a little bit of warmth, and so the silver with the copper and the warm waxes seem to really tie this piece together. These legs have been silver leafed, dripped with copper, dripped with black. I absolutely love this piece. I wished I could keep it, but it has been sold, which is very exciting. It's going to a really fantastic home. So you can see this piece down at Backroads Vintage Market on October 5th. I am going to haul it down there because the folks are going to pick it up there. It is gorgeous. And that is on October 5th on Auction Road, running from 9 to 4. There's all kinds of fabulous stuff there. It's all upcycling antiques. There's even some really fine craft works there. Don't miss it. It's a lot of fun. There's entertainment, a lot of great things to eat and drink. So I think that's about it. If you guys have any questions about this technique or the products that I use, just put them in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you about them as fast as I can. So you guys have a fabulous day.